Okay, last fun activity for maths today. So you've just caught me in the middle of starting to do a shape investigation. So we've been looking at this week shapes, 2D shapes. What does this mean? That they are flat shapes. Okay, and we've been looking at symmetry, remembering that symmetry is when two things are exactly the same. We've been looking at different lines of symmetry, how shapes have got many lines of symmetry means I can fold them and they will still be exactly the same. So I thought it might be fun for you guys to go around the house and to have a look at different shapes and different bits that they have got around them. So I started to make using a selection of pencils and blue tack, but you guys can also use plasticine if you want, a triangle. Now, there are many different types of triangles, but this one, guys, if you remember, it looks like an ice cream cone and it's called an isosceles triangle. Okay, and I've started here writing my information. Look, I've drawn the shape that I'm doing, a triangle. I've written down it's got 3 sides. 1, 2, 3 sides. And here it says corners. So I'm going to write down 1, 2, 3 corners. And here it says lines. So here is where I'm going to use my symmetry knowledge to be able to write this. And for this I can either get a pencil and I can see where I can put it down the middle for both sides to be the same. So look guys, here it would be exactly the same. Okay, and so it's got one line of symmetry. Now if I put it here, it doesn't look exactly the same on both sides, does it guys? So I can say that my triangle has only got one line of symmetry. Okay, let's try another one. Okay, so I can pick up my triangle. I can either keep it or I can take it apart. And let's see what other shape I can make. Have a guess and see what shape I am going to be making. I'm going to be making a shape which has got 4 sides and 4 corners, but as you can see, the sides are not the same length. What does this mean? Let's have a look. What shape is this? It's a rectangle. So I'm going to draw my next shape. And I'm going to count. How many sides does my shape have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. How many corners does my shape have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many lines of symmetry? So again, guys, I can pick out an extra long pencil and I can say, okay, well, from here to here, does it look the same on both sides? Yes, it's one line of symmetry. See if I can get any more. If I put it here in the middle, again, does it look the same? Yes, 2 lines of symmetry. Let's try it diagonally. If I put it here diagonally, does it look the same? Nope, guys, it doesn't, does it? Okay, so I can say it's got 2 lines of symmetry. Okay. Now, what you can do is there are no right or wrong answers, guys, with the names of the shapes that you want to make. I've got 2 Marinas in my house and they're both telling me how they don't think I should just be making triangles and rectangles, how they want to make octagons and decagons and weird funny shapes. So guys, please go ahead, make any shape you possibly want. Okay, draw it down, make it out of pencils and put all your information here for me. Remember guys, maths is all about investigating, playing and enjoying. Okay, so have loads of fun and show me your results when you finish. Bye.